It's like kid day for me. I just come off of a 2.5 mile hike over at Lake Hampton. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out. For everybody who has subscribed so far, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you for becoming a trail mate. I've got something totally cool. This is not far from several of my properties, and I can hear them at times. It is so cool, and I cannot believe how huge some of these units are. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And hey, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because that's the only way we can grow. And I'm going to be doing all kinds of stuff. It's not me walking on a trail all the time. Sometimes I'm getting my steps, getting mileage in by coming to some pretty cool things, seeing some really neat sights, and going to some really cool events. Let's get out and let's see if we can get some shots of these models. Well, that could have turned out a little bit better. Unfortunately, it is ridiculously windy down here at the airfield today. It's bottomland. It's starting to get pretty warm out there. Humidity's up, but the wind is blowing, so that makes it a lot better. Unfortunately, I think I heard like 4 or 5 different people who were replacing props because they had broken props, having just a lot of craziness. So most of the guys aren't flying right now. I don't know when the wind's gonna settle down, but I've enjoyed myself. I got to talk to several of the pilots and get some really close-up looks at some of the vintage styled aircraft, and it's absolutely amazing. I've really enjoyed this. I do wish the wind had been calm and they would have been flying a lot, but I did get a little bit of footage. I think they fly so fast when they come by you. So there was one guy, and I tried to catch him, but he basically was doing like a flight of Icarus, where he was just beelining it straight up to the sun. And I don't know if I captured that or not, but it was really neat. Man, just the people here, just they're so laid back, so friendly, so nice. I went into a few of their tents, talked to them and stuff. It's amazing. Met a guy that was from Christiansburg, Virginia, and his son actually does motocross and comes down here. So he was telling me that this was a memorial event for one of the pilots who I guess had just recently passed away. And but it's a big event. There's several motor coaches, and man, it's just a good day to be out and just to see stuff. I didn't hit my 10,000 steps yet, but it's only 1:57. Thinking about going home and getting in the pool. But until then, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of stuff, you never know where I'm going to end up. And I hope that you will become a trail mate today. I hope I've earned your subscription. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, hit that bell button. But hey, at the end of the day, just remember, every journey starts with a single step. I'll see you on the next one.